Namaste Javins, myself Javin Dr. Barkha Khurana. In physiology, we will be discussing about synapse today. So synapse is a junction between two neurons where the axon or some other part of one neuron terminates on the dendrite of another part or another part of the second neuron. So the first part is called as presynaptic neuron and the second one is known as postsynaptic neuron. See, in this diagram you can see this is the presynaptic neuron, the first one. This is a postsynaptic neuron. So junction between these two is the synapse. Here you can see the enlarged diagram of presynaptic neuron and postsynaptic neuron. Now there are three types of synapses. This is a physiological classification. The three types are chemical, electrical, and conjoint synapse. In chemical synapse, neurotransmitters are used for conduction of impulses along the junction. They are widely spread in the body, and here the two neurons are not in contact with each other physically. And they usually transmit impulses only in one direction. So if you talk about neurotransmitters, they are the chemicals helping in conduction of the impulse. Then the other one is electrical synapse, where the neurons forming electrical synapse have gap junctions or bridges between them. And they are seen in very few locations like retina, olfactory bulb, and impulses transmitted in both the direction. You can see the diagram. This blue arrows is the conduction. Then is a conjoint synapse. Here both electrical and chemical transmission coexist. So this is the chart showing the difference between chemical and electrical synapse. Here you can see the synaptic delay is present, the synaptic delay is absent. It is sensitive to hypoxia and pH changes, and it is insensitive to hypoxia and pH changes. So these are the differences between the two, electrical and chemical synapse. It is found in higher vertebrates, and thus evolution-wise it is more advanced. It is mainly found in invertebrates and lower vertebrates. If we talk about summaries, synapse is a junction between two neurons. There are three types of synapses: chemical, electrical, and conjoint. The chemical synapses uses neurotransmitters, which are chemicals helping in the conduction of the impulses. These neurotransmitters are both inhibitory and facilitatory or excitatory. And for example, serotonin, dopamine, acetylcholine, etc. So this is all in this session. I hope you understood this session well. And if you have any doubts, you can post a comment. This session is powered by Digital 2.0 version of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Thank you.